Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really exciting one because I'm going to share with you some really amazing dupes. These may not be the exact dupes, but they are very good alternatives. And the best thing is most of them are very easily available in Pakistan. Actually, some of them are Pakistani products, but if they are not Pakistani, they are easily available in Pakistan and they are mostly drugstore and affordable dupes. And one more important thing that I try to dupe the formulas most of the time. So they are not the exact shade dupes, but most of them are the formula dupes. So let's not waste the time and just start the video. So the first dupe I have found for this really beautiful Too Faced blush, Papa Don't Peach. It's a very pretty peachy shade with golden undertones. It has a golden sheen and it is really popular blush. But if you don't have this blush, don't worry. I have covered you and I have found a pretty good dupe for this. As you can see, the shade is really subtle peachy golden shade. Now the dupe for this Papa Don't Peach is this very famous Milani Luminoso. Milani Luminoso is easily available anywhere in Pakistan because it's a really famous shade of Milani blushes. Now Milani is not the most affordable drugstore brand, but it is still affordable than Too Faced. And honestly, I much prefer the formula of Milani blush than the Too Faced blush. As you can see, it is little more pigmented than the Too Faced one and it is really smooth. It is smoother than the Too Faced one. So I would prefer the Milani one. As you can see, the shades are almost exactly similar. So if you are lusting over the Too Faced blush, I would recommend the Milani one. The second dupe I have found is for this MAC blush. This is MAC Extra Dimension blush in shade Cheeky Bits. It's not about the shade, but I love the formula of MAC Extra Dimension. These are the glowy blushes, but the formula is so lightweight that it doesn't accentuate the texture on your cheeks. And the dupe I have found for this is this blush palette by Beautify by Amna. Again, this is not the shade dupe, but it's a formula dupe. It's exactly similar formula. Both blushes are very pretty glowy blushes, but the same thing that the texture is very lightweight. Both blushes are very pretty glowy and creamy formula. As you can see, the shades are not similar, but the formula is very similar. Both are the glowy blushes, both are very smooth, very creamy blushes. So if you want to try the MAC blush but you don't want to spend that money, so I would say go for Beautify by Amna because the end results are almost similar. Now the third dupe I have found is for the cream blush formula. Now it is not the dupe for the whole Natasha Denona palette but only for the cream blush formula of Natasha Denona. I have three palettes of Natasha Denona in which there is a cream blush. All of them have the cream blush. So I really like this cream blush formula. It's a very creamy emollient formula, but it blends very beautifully on the skin. The dupe I have found for this is these blush crush blushes from Luscious Cosmetics. This is again a Pakistani brand and these blushes are very pretty blushes. They are creamy blushes. They are the exact same. I won't say the exact same formula, but it is a very compatible formula to the Natasha Denona. Like these are also the same creamy formula, the same emollient formula, and they blend the exact same way, and the result are very similar. So I would say if you are looking for a very good formula cream blushes, I would really recommend these Luscious Blush Crush blushes. This next dupe is my favorite one. This is the MAC Extra Dimension highlighter in Double Gleam. This is my favorite highlighter of all time. It's a very beautiful golden shade with silver sheen. It's a very unique formula. The MAC Extra Dimension line is my favorite line. This just melt into your skin. It's very finely melt formula, as you can see. I have found the dupe for it. It is a the glow highlighter, actually the gold highlighter by Focalure in shade 01. Now this is not only the shade dupe, but it is also a formula dupe. Both are very creamy formula, very lightweight, very blendable. Just melt into the skin and give that glossy effects. As you can see that the shades are very similar. Even the Focalure one is more pigmented, more shiny, but on the skin they both look exactly similar. If you apply on one face the MAC one and on the other the Focalure one, you won't find any difference between both. Next highlighter dupe I have found is for the Balm Mary Luminizer, the cult classic, the all-time favorite Balm Mary Luminizer. It's a very pretty, very beautiful, very everyday champagne highlighter. It's an old highlighter, but still to the day, everyone seems to love it, and there is a reason for it because it's a classic highlighter. Now, the dupe I have found for this highlighter is a Pakistani brand highlighter, Pakistani highlighter by Zay Beauty. It's their drama highlighter in shade Chantara. It's a powder one. Now, these are not the exact shade dupes. The shades are almost similar, but there is a little difference in the shade, but the formulas are very similar. I won't say that these are the exact dupes, but according to the formula, they are very similar result on the face, and even swatches the same, even on the touch they are same. So if you want to try you want to buy the Mary Luminizer, but for some reason you don't find it, you can always buy this Pakistani highlighter by Zay Beauty. Even the Balm one is not the most expensive highlighters, but still the Zay Beauty are more affordable and easily available in Pakistan than the Balm one. Then my next dupe is for Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter. This is their most famous highlighter. It's the most blinding highlighter. As you can see the shade, it's a very silvery champagne shade. It's a very unique formula, the cream to powder formula. To touch it you will feel it a cream, but when you apply it, it will dry down like a powder. So it's not only the shade of the Flexitarian which is unique, the formula of Colourpop Super Shock is also a unique formula. Now the dupe for this is this ELF Plus Glow Highlighter. This is in the shade Moonlight. It's the exact same formula. I won't say that it's exact the shade dupe. Even the shades are also very similar, but this one is a little cool tone. It's a little pinkier, and the Flexitarian is more of that champagne shade. So I prefer the shade of the Flexitarian for my skin, but the formulas are exact similar. So if for some reason you find that it is difficult for you to order from Colourpop, you can always buy the ELF one because ELF is easily available even in Pakistan. ELF has their own website, ELF Pakistan. So I would highly recommend the ELF one because it is the exact same thing as the Colourpop Super Shock. And even the ELF one have one other shade as well. So if you prefer the more golden shade, so they have the golden shade as well. The next dupe I have found for the Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows. Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows are really famous. I right now I don't have any on my hand, but I did have in the past and I used them up. So I have pretty good idea about the formula. So these eyeshadows are from Jimmy Vogue. I bought them and these are really affordable. I think these are for 350 rupees. Jimmy Vogue is a Korean brand, but they have quite few stores in Pakistan, and their skincare and makeup line are really inspired by the Korean beauty. These eyeshadows are that cream to powder formula like the Colourpop Super Shock. The shades are really pigmented, the glittery and shimmery shades, and they apply exactly same as Colourpop Super Shocks. So if you are looking for the Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows, I would say go try these one because they are really affordable and they did have quite few shades. I just found out that I have a Super Shock eyeshadow in a palette. This is the palette So Jaded by Kathleen Light, and there is a shade Diamond, this first one. It's a Super Shock formula. So I will swatch it for you. As you can see, this is a very sheer shade. It's actually a topper shade. It's not a fully pigmented shade. But we are here talking about the formula dupe, not the shade dupe, obviously. So the formula of these Jimmy Vogue eyeshadows are very similar to the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. My next dupe is for Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powders. These powders are really hyped up over the internet. These powders are actually like a glowy powders, and they are used for setting your makeup or even finishing your makeup. They just give you that glowy brightening effects. When you are done with all the makeup, you can buff your makeup with these powders. They are nothing special while swatching, but on the skin the effects is really beautiful. The dupe for these powders are this palette by Revolution. It's their Radiance palette. There are three shades, and now these shades are not the exact similar shades to the Hourglass palette, but these are very similar in formula. Obviously they cannot be the exact similar as the Hourglass, because the Hourglass formula is very thin formula, but they try to dupe it and they are quite successful in duping these shades. Then my next dupe is for this Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. It's a very unique product. It's a hybrid between a primer and a highlighter and foundation. I don't know what it is, but it's so beautiful. It looks really ethereal on your skin. It's called Flawless Filter, and it is really a flawless filter. It will make your skin look flawless. It will make your skin filtered, like you have applied some kind of filter on your skin. It will blur your pores. It will give you that beautiful glow and shine. You can mix it with your foundation. You can use it as your foundation. You can use it as your primer, even as highlighter. It's a very multitasking product. It's one of the best seller by Charlotte Tilbury, but it's really expensive. And the dupe I have found for it is this Milani Soft Focus Glow. Now this is also not a cheap alternative. It's the Milani products are really expensive in Pakistan, but still it's very affordable than the Charlotte Tilbury, and the effect on the skin is quite similar, guys. So if you are lusting over the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, I would say go for the Milani one, because you won't be disappointed. Now obviously I have both, so I prefer the Charlotte Tilbury one, but if I didn't have, or if I have to buy it again, I would go for the Milani one. Now there is a lipstick dupe as well. This is the lipstick by Ofra, and it is a formula dupe. I have the lipstick by this is the 2000 Kisses lipstick by the Diana of London. Now these two are, I don't know how it is possible, but these are the exact same formula. Like I have totally different shades in both lipsticks, but I'm talking about the formula. The formula is like both formulas are very creamy, the moussey texture, and on the lips they apply same, they last same. They are both are very comfortable on the skin. The Ofra liquid lipsticks are famous for their comfortable formula. So exact similar formula is these Diana of London lipsticks, and they are easily available in most of the pharmacies and the drugstores in Pakistan, and they have tons of shades. So if you can find your favorite shade, I would really recommend this formula. Then my last but not the least dupe is for the MAC lip pencils. MAC lip pencils are again very popular lip pencils. They last forever. They are very long lasting on the lips, and the formula is very creamy but not overly creamy. And the same formula I have found is by the NYX. Actually these are also the shade dupes. The NYX one is in the shade Mahogany, and the MAC one is in the shade Absolutely It. So these are the similar shades, but I'm talking about the formula. So I have found the formulas are also quite similar. Obviously, the Nix one doesn't last as long as the Mac one, but they last pretty long as well, and they're the cheap and the more affordable alternatives. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye.